giving credit from a bank alone is not going to result in a sustainable development, but simultaneously we have got to take care of skills upgradation and also the issues relating to the infrastructure like the various production facilities, marketing, so on and so forth. In consonance with this philosophy, during the centenary year, on a pilot scale, the bank has chosen 128 villages across the country in 77 districts in 17 states. It covers like 265,000 people and about 50,000 households.
The specific objective is that the rural areas should become self-reliant. There are a lot of people today who are either underemployed or unemployed, and that is what is called disguised unemployment. So we need to see that how best these people can be totally put to employment. So as a process, we will identify the skill gaps, identify the training needs, and then supplement it by bringing different agencies.
We are giving training to each self-help group to run one industry. Like that, we have established around 13 industries. So our concept of network economy is creating one nodal village as a pilot. So after that, from the nodal village, automatically this activity will be spread to the surrounding villages.
எங்க சங்கத்து பேரு சாமந்தி மாளிகை, இன்னொரு சங்கமும் செய்து தாழம்பூ சங்கம். இங்க நாங்க இந்த ஓடு போடுறதால இந்த ஓட்டோட விலை 6 ரூபாய் 7 ரூபாய் நிக்கிறோம். அதை வெளியே எடுத்துன்னு போய் வித்தா 9000 ரூபாய் 10 ரூபாய்னு விக்கணும். அதுல எங்களுக்கு லாபம் வரது 3 ரூபாய் 2 ரூபாய் தான் லாபம் வரும் எங்களுக்கு.
நாங்க சுழுது குழுல இருக்கிறோம். எங்க குழுல மொத்தம் 17 பேர். நாங்க பேங்க்ல லோன் வாங்கி தொழில் செய்றோம். இப்ப வெளியெல்லாம் எங்கேயும் கடை வாங்குறதுல பேங்க் எங்களுக்கு நல்ல சலுகை செஞ்சிருக்கு. இதனால எங்க குழந்தைங்க எல்லாம் நல்லா படிக்க வைக்க முடியுது. எங்க வாழ்க்கை நல்லா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு.
What we are trying to do is that we would like to integrate the locally available resources, the skills, and bring about the best of their capacity and value addition to their production. In this process, we have helped them to have demonstration plots in all these villages so that they would know as to what kind of technology which is more appropriate and cost efficient can be adapted by them.
Bank of India 50,000 અમને લોન પેટે સહાય કરી અને પછી અમે આ જમણ પદ્ધતિ અપનાવી. એનાથી પાણીમાં ઘણા ફાયદા અને ઉત્પાદનમાં બમણું ઉત્પાદન નીકળે છે.
इसके पहले मैं टीवी मैकेनिक का काम करता था, जिसमें यानी 1000 रुपये महीने की लागत में रोजगार मिलता था. फिर वो धंधे में मंदी आ गई, कंपटीशन बढ़ गया, इसलिए मैं ये कृषि केंद्र की ओर चला गया. लेकिन मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था, इसलिए मैं बैंक में गया. बैंक की 1 लाख की मदद मिली, जिसके कारण ये दुकान चला सकूँ मैं. और उसमें मेरे गट के 10 मेंबर है, उनको भी रोजगार मिल गया है.
मैं भैंस बेको पिंडोम थी खरीदी थी. टंके 5 लीटर दूध आपे छे. દિવસના 150 રૂપિયા પડે છે. એનાથી મારું જીવન સારું જાય છે.
நாங்கள் 17 பேர் பேங்க்லேருந்து பணம் எடுத்து நாங்கள் எண்ணெய் தொழில் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த எண்ணெய் இதில் எங்கள் குடும்பம் எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது.
In addition to improvement in the quality of their life, we have tried to make them, sensitize them about the civic hygiene and help them for putting up of under the Bharat Nirmal Yojana, the toilet facilities. And in quite a few places we also help them to lay roads so that they will have better connectivity. So in all these attempts, on one hand there is a credit input, but more than that it is a people's participation.
बँक ऑफ इंडिया शताब्दी या अंतर्गत आम्ही आमच्या गावामध्ये स्वच्छता अभियान अंतर्गत काम करीत आहे. आमच्या इथे रोगराई न झाल्यास आम्ही आमच्या गावामध्ये परिपूर्ण स्वच्छता अभियान केलेले आहे. त्यामध्ये आमच्या गावामध्ये संडास वगैरे केलेले आहे, ते आम्ही स्वतः गावामध्ये बांधलेले असून परिपूर्ण त्यांचा वापर करत आहे. रोगराईपासून मुक्त झालेले आहे.
ज्या गावामध्ये जेव्हापासून ग्राम शताब्दी योजनेपासून सुरू झाले तेव्हापासून गावामध्ये 100 संडास तयार झाले, 100 झाडे लावले. बँक ऑफ इंडिया जिथून बेरोजगारांना, युवकांना, बेरोजगारांना रोजगार मिळवून दिला. आणि जे गावामध्ये सडका सुद्धा झालेल्या आहे. याच्यापासून जाण्या लोकांची सुविधा झाली आहे आणि सर्व लोक खुश आहेत.
The bank's main role will be funding. The second role is facilitating, bringing those people who will matter in these activities together. That is why we say the participation of the people. Now, ultimate objective is that, like the Honorable President said, there is a lot of things that can be done in rural India. Now, if the rural India becomes self-sufficient, we are really achieving the economic freedom of this country.
14 बायांनी ग्रुप तयार केलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आम्हाला 20,000 मिळालेले आहे. आम्ही 2003 मध्ये आम्हाला पुन्हा 20,000 मिळाले, 2 लाख मिळाले आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये 60 पिल्ले आम्ही विकलेले आहे. त्याच्यात एका बाईला आम्हाला 1,000 रुपये महिन्याचे हे होत आहे.
We have also tried to bring in marketing facilities, plus to take knowledge to the villages. We have facilitated establishment of rural kiosks, which are all knowledge centers for the people to get to know about the various activities. We also try to popularize the non-conventional energy like solar powered lamps, powered equipment, so on and so forth.
પછી આ બેંક ઓફ ઇન્ડિયાએ આપણા હાથમાં લઈને આ કોમ્પ્યુટર લાવી અને આ દાખલાની જોગવાઈ કરી એટલે અહીં એટલો ફાયદો પેલો ટાઈમે બગડે, પૈસા બગડે અને કોઈ તો બીજા દને જવું પડે.
મારી પાસે 5 એકર જમીન છે, એની અંદર હું ખેતી વાવું છું અને બહાર માર્કેટમાં વેચવાથી એનો ઘણો કપાત થતી હતી અને ઘણી ખોટ જતી હતી. હવે જ્યારે આ ચિરાગ ઇન્ટરનેટ કેન્દ્ર પછી જ્યારે ભાવ જાણીને જો વેચવામાં આવશે નફો ઘણો બહોળો પડશે.
મિલકતની આકારણીનો દાખલો લેવા માટે મેં અમદાવાદ જવું પડતું હતું. એના બદલે હવે અમને અમારી જ પંચાયતમાં હલદરવાસ બેંક ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા શાખાએ અહીંયા જે સેવા ઉપલબ્ધ કરી આપી છે એનાથી અમને અહીંયા જ તલાટી સાહેબ આપી દે છે.
Earlier, actually, this being the rain-fed area, the scarcity of water was there in the area at the end of the cropping season, and the production was getting reduced. But nowadays, by adopting this practice, the farmers have been able to sustain their crop with the help of this conserved water at the fag end of the season and getting good production.
पहले पानी की थोड़ी समस्या होती थी, लेकिन ये बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के थोड़े सहयोग से और उस पानी लोन के द्वारा से साहब ने कुछ सिखाया और एक पानी की समस्या थोड़ी हल हो गई. और इसके पीछे हमने ज़्यादा तालाब के पानी के स्टोरेज के लिए बनवाया और सभी दिक्कतें थोड़ी कम लगने लगी.
What we have started this year in commemoration of the bank centenary should set a pace for a continuous development in an integrated way all across the country. And I would like to see that each and every one of the villages is provided with banking facility, and this banking facility should just form the basis, and they should only be a beginning for total development.